Good morning, dear students. Now today we will learn from our grammar book, lesson number 9, adjectives, and in this we will learn degrees of comparison. So I am going to explain this degrees of comparison by giving some examples. Now, read these sentences. Jerry is tall. Okay, so we are telling something about Jerry that he is tall. Second sentence, Edward is taller than Jerry. So here we compare Edward and Jerry. We are comparing their height. Okay, so we are using the adjective taller when we are comparing two things, their height. Now see the third. Harry, Henry is the tallest of them all. So here we are comparing Henry's height with all. And we are using the word tallest. Okay. The adjective tallest. Okay. To explain, to tell the height. Okay. That Henry is the tallest of them all. Like the same way, there are three forms depending on how many things we compare. So the first and usual form is used when we simply describe something or someone. For example, now if you see, the baby is happy. Here we are saying about baby. So happy word we use. Now if you will see, Apurva looks happier than Anup. So here we are comparing two boys, Apurva and Anuj, and we are comparing their happiness. Okay. So when we compare two, then we use here the adjective happier. Now, Praveen is the happiest person I know. So, you are comparing Praveen with all, and then you will find that he is the happiest person of all. Okay? So, in this way, the third form of adjective, we compare more than two things. Okay? Like Praveen is the happiest person of all. Okay. Now, I am going to give another example also. The giraffe has a long neck. So here we are telling that giraffe has a long neck. But when we compare some two things, then how you will say the giraffe's neck is longer than the lion's neck. So first we said that giraffe has long neck. We were telling about only giraffe. But when we compare giraffe's neck and lion's neck, so here we have two things. When we compare two things, then we use longer. Okay, longer. To compare more than two things, okay, we add er to the adjective longer. Okay. Now, and to compare more than two things, we add est. Now see the example. This road is the longest in India. So we are comparing the road with all the roads of India, and we come in conclusion that this is the longest road in India. So to compare more than two things, we add est to adjective, and in this way we compare things. Now there are three rules, simple rules, okay, which I am explaining now. The first is to compare two things, we add er to the adjective. For example, high, higher, cold, colder, smooth, smoother. Okay. When we compare more than two things, we add est. For example, short, shortest, small, smallest, cold, coldest, long, longest, tall, tallest, high, highest, like this. Okay. Now the third rule of this is adjective of degree is for some adjective we add more or less before the adjective instead of adding er or est. We add more when we compare two. More. For example, beautiful, more beautiful, and when we compare more than two, most beautiful. Did you understand? Exciting. When we compare two, more exciting. When we compare more than two, most exciting. Okay? For some adjective, we add most or least before the adjective instead of adding est. Dangerous, most dangerous. Interesting, least interesting. Okay. So in this way, you have to keep all these rules in mind. How we compare. Okay, when we are telling about one thing, we'll simply say this is tall, this is short, this is long. Okay. But when we compare two, we add er. When we compare more than two, we add est. But some adjective we add more, most. More interesting, most interesting. More beautiful, most beautiful. Like this. And we have to also keep in mind that dangerous, most dangerous. Interesting, least interesting. Okay. Now the fifth thing which you have to keep in mind is some adjectives do not follow any of this pattern. Their other forms are completely different from their usual form. For example, good, better, best. It is not like good, good or goodest. No, no, no. It is wrong. So we have to learn good when you are comparing two, better, and when you are comparing more than two, best. Good, better, best. Like the same way, bad. Okay? Worse when comparing two. Worse when you comparing three or more than three, worst. Okay? So children, an adjective in the comparative form is always followed by then. Okay? Jarvis is faster than Jonathan. You have, when you are comparing two, then you have to use then word also. Okay? A hummingbird is smaller than a sparrow. So here you have also added er when you are comparing hummingbird with sparrow. Hummingbird is smaller than sparrow. So when you compare two things, you have to add than word also. Second thing, we always add the before adjectives with est. For example, Ramesh is the best batsman in the team. Okay? Rahi is the best student in her classroom. So children, you have to keep all this thing in mind when you are comparing two things, more than two things, or when you are telling about any one thing. Okay. So next period we will solve some exercises of this lesson, And now you read this and revise. Okay, thank you.